Welcome from my tiny kitchen with 3 ingredients that you might just have in your pantry. No special equipment. Quickly whip up these 3 ingredient peanut butter cookies. These flourless cookies are both gluten-free and dairy-free. This recipe is so easy. Add smooth peanut butter, sugar, and an egg into a mixing bowl and mix until smooth. I recommend using smooth peanut butter as when I tried a batch using crunchy peanut butter, the cookie texture was too crumbly. When the ingredients are well mixed, roll about a tablespoon of cookie dough and place on a baking paper or silicone mat lined tray, leaving about 2 inches worth of space between each cookie. Flatten the cookies with a fork, creating a crisscross design. Not only is this the cookie's iconic look, but because they don't spread much when baking, it helps them to bake evenly. And then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes or until the edges just begin to brown. When baked, remove from the oven and let the cookies cool on a tray for about a minute or 2, then transfer them onto a cooling rack to prevent sweating. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.